Creating a project begins on the start page of the iRidium app. You can get to this page either right after authorization or by exiting a downloaded project. I have just logged in and see projects that are already created and uploaded to the cloud. To create a new project, press New Project button. Enter project name. Next, you are offered to connect to a server. If you have already bought a hardware server, press Start Connection and scan a QR code from the documentation to the server or enter the code manually to activate a license. If you have no server or if you plan to connect it later, press Project Without Server. Now we can pass on to creating a project. If you are an installer, you have no time limit on project creation. You can create it for free as long as required. If you are a DIY user, since this moment, the countdown of a 2-week trial period begins. During this time, you can create and use a project for free. When 2 weeks is up, you'll have to buy a server and a license. Now you see Config, where you will create your projects. In the General tab, you can change the name of the project, you can see the project report, you can also see the version of iRidium app that you will need when you contact our tech support. You can also see the style of the project and the original settings. After it will create with you floors and rooms, add devices, place them in rooms, add and set a server. We'll also set logic and share a project with users. To see what a project looks like to a server, press Start Project. You'll have to press the Start Project button every time you want to save the project in the cloud. You'll upload a project to the cloud to see it on other devices. For example, if you want to continue developing a project on another device, press the 3 dots and save the project to the cloud. It must also be done every time you make changes in a project for other panels to learn about changes in the project and to download the latest version. It is available to DIY users after buying a license. If you want to get back to the config, press the Config button. Close Project button allows you to exit a project to get back to the start page of iRidium and to work at another project.